The DJI Mic Mini 2TX plus 1RX plus charging case is DJI's latest compact wireless audio solution, and after testing it in real-world scenarios, I can confidently say it strikes a strong balance between portability, ease of use, and sound quality. This review will break down the design, performance, usability, and overall value, highlighting what makes this kit stand out for creators, vloggers, interviewers, and anyone who needs reliable wireless audio on the go. Design and build quality. The DJI Mic Mini follows DJI's well-known design philosophy: sleek, minimalistic, and highly functional. The kit includes 2 transmitters, TX, 1 receiver, RX, and a charging case that keeps everything protected and ready to use. Each unit is lightweight yet solidly built, with a premium feel that inspires confidence. The compact size of the transmitters make them easy to clip discreetly onto clothing without being obtrusive, which is ideal for interviews or casual content creation. The charging case is particularly convenient. It not only stores the components securely, but also charges them simultaneously, much like modern wireless earbud cases. This ensures you're always ready for your next shoot without juggling multiple charging cables. Ease of setup. One of the standout features of the DJI Mic Mini is its plug-and-play simplicity. The system pairs automatically right out of the case, removing the typical frustration of syncing wireless devices. The receiver can be connected directly to cameras, smartphones, or laptops, with adapters and cables included to cover most setups. For creators who need quick deployment in fast-paced environments, this is a huge advantage. Audio quality. Audio performance is where the DJI Mic Mini shines. The transmitters capture sound that is crisp, clear, and balanced, handling both spoken word and ambient environments with ease. Compared to onboard camera microphones or budget wireless alternatives, the difference is night and day. Background noise is reduced effectively, though like any lavalier, placement still matters for optimal clarity. Latency is impressively low, ensuring real-time synchronization with video recording. This is critical for interviews, live events, or content where lip sync accuracy is non-negotiable. The mic also handles outdoor conditions reasonably well, especially with the included windshields that reduce plosives and wind interference. Battery life and charging. Battery performance is another strong point. Each transmitter and receiver offers around 5 hours of runtime, and with the charging case providing additional charges, you can expect up to 15 hours of use in total. For a full day of filming, this endurance is more than enough. The convenience of the charging case cannot be overstated. It simplifies battery management and ensures your gear is always topped up. Features and usability. DJI includes several thoughtful features that elevate the experience. The dual transmitter setup allows for 2-person interviews or simultaneous recordings, making it perfect for podcasters, interviewers, or collaborative creators. The receiver provides clear monitoring and level adjustments, giving users control without requiring complicated setups. Compatibility is broad, with support for DSLR and mirrorless cameras, iOS and Android devices, and laptops. Whether you're a YouTuber, journalist, or business professional recording presentations, the DJI Mic Mini adapts easily. Who is it for? The DJI Mic Mini is designed for creators who prioritize quality audio without the hassle of complicated gear. If you shoot vlogs, conduct interviews, record tutorials, or create short-form content for platforms like TikTok and Instagram, this kit will significantly improve your production value. Even more advanced users who typically rely on larger audio setups may appreciate the portability and reliability of this system for running-done situations. Pros: compact and portable with premium build quality, automatic pairing and easy setup, dual transmitters for 2-person recording, clear professional-grade audio quality, charging case with extended battery life, broad compatibility with cameras and mobile devices. Cons: no onboard recording, unlike the larger DJI mic system, limited manual control compared to higher-end setups, small size makes it easier to misplace if not stored carefully. Final verdict: the DJI Mic Mini 2TX plus 1RX plus charging case is an impressive wireless lavalier system that delivers where it matters most: sound quality, ease of use, and portability. It is not overloaded with unnecessary features, but instead focuses on being practical, reliable, and creator-friendly. While it lacks the onboard recording feature found in its bigger sibling, the DJI mic, this streamlined version offers excellent value for those who want professional audio in a compact package. If you're looking to take your video content to the next level with clear, wireless audio that just works, the DJI Mic Mini is one of the best options in its class.